Summer's right around the corner, so it's time to start working on that beach body. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a protein-rich start to your day, a very good breakfast. Smoothies are a quick and easy way to start your day off with only a handful of ingredients and just a little bit of effort, and then you're out the door and on your way to work or school. I'm going to start with a cup of almond milk. You can use whole milk or coconut milk if you'd like. Next, I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of berries, frozen preferably. You can choose any berries you'd like. Now, half of a banana, 2 tablespoons of flax, chia, and hemp mix, 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder. Get the little blow off. Now, 1 cup of kale. You can use a half a cup, or you can even take kale out of it if you don't want it. Now put the top on it and give it the old blendy windy. Sound effects. And now you're off to success for the day. Pour it in your mug or your mason jar and you're ready to go. One of the great things about this recipe is you can toss all the ingredients in Ziploc bags and store them in the freezer for up to 3 months. So that way you wake up in the morning, no prep time, throw them in the blender, and you're ready to go. If you like the recipe, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. In the meantime, I got some less healthy options over here and some over there too. Watch that.